Hi everyone, let's discuss about evaluating function. Number 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. A is f of 3. So we're going to find the f of 3. It means the x will become 3. So in the function, we substitute 3 to x and this will become 2 times 3 plus 5. Okay? 2 times 3, that is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, that is 11. And this is the answer. Next, f of negative 3. So, yung x natin, magiging negative 3. So, the function will become 2 times negative 3 plus 5. Then simplify. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6 plus 5. Negative 6 plus 5, that is negative 1. Next, g of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so that's the given function. Let's find g of 2. G of 2 means we're going to find the value of the g function using 2 to x. Okay, let's substitute 2 to x. So the function will become 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 2. 2 squared, that is 4. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 plus 2. So 4 minus 6, that is negative 2 plus 2. So the answer is positive. That is 0. Negative 2 plus 2, that is 0. B, g of negative 2. So the value of x will become negative 2. So let's substitute negative 2 to the function. So the function will become negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 2. Okay. So negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. Negative 3 Negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6 plus 2. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, that is 12. So this is the answer. So that's the way how are you going to evaluate function. Just simply substitute the value of x to the function. Let's have more example. F of x is equal to 2 raised to x minus 2. So this is an exponential function. So let's find f of 2. So x will become 2. 2 raised to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So based on the laws of exponent, 0 exponent is equivalent to 1. So this is the answer for letter A. Next, f of 5. So the exponent will become 5 minus 2. Okay, so x become 5. Okay, then 5 minus 2, that is 3. And 2 cubed, that is equivalent to 8. Why 8? Because this is 2 times 2 times 2. That's why 8. F of 0. F of 0, so the exponent will become 0 minus 2. Okay? So, 0 minus 2, that is negative 2. So, this is a negative law of exponent. 1 over 2 squared. Para maging positive yung exponent natin, ilagay natin sa denominator. Okay? That is negative law of exponent. And that 2 squared is 4 sa denominator. That's why f of 0 in the function is 1/4. Next, f of negative 1. So yung x natin magiging negative 1. 2 raised to negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2, that is negative 3. So this is another negative exponent. So based on the negative law exponent, ilagay natin sa denominator and it will become 2 cubed. What is 2 cubed? That is 8. So 1 over 8 ang magiging sagot dito. So that's the way how are you going to evaluate function. Okay, hi everyone. Let's continue about discussing evaluating function. So our function is f of x is equal to x squared plus 2 if x is less than 0. 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or 0. So this is a piecewise function. So f of negative 4. So the value of x is negative 4. So this is less than 0. So we're going to use the x squared plus 2. So ang mangyayari, negative 4 squared plus 2. Okay, negative 4 squared, that is 16, because negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 plus 2, that is 18. So this is the answer. Next, f of 3. So 3 is greater than 0. Gagamitin natin yung 2x minus 3 kapag greater than 0. 3 ay greater than 0. So yung pangalawang gagamitin natin, 2 times 3 minus 3. So 2 times 3, that is 6 minus 3, that is 3. So the answer is 3. Next, f of 0.5. So yung f of 0.5, 0.5, that is positive, which is greater than 0. So dito natin siya gagamitin. 2 times 0.5 minus 3. Okay? 2 times 0.5, that is 1. Minus 3, that is negative 2. So this is the answer. Last, f of negative 1/2. f of negative 1/2, that is negative number which is less than 0, yung una ang gagamitin natin. So 1/2 negative quantity squared plus 2. Negative 1/2 times negative 1/2, that is 1/4, plus 2, that is 2 and 1/4. So that's the answer. So that's the way how are you going to evaluate this function. Hi everyone, let's continue about evaluating function. F of x is equal to square root of 2x minus 3. So that's the function. Let's find f of 2. So yung x natin magiging 2, kaya yung function magiging 2 times, substitute 2 to x. So x will become 2 minus 3. Then 2 times 2, that is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, that is 1. So square root of 1, the answer is 1. Next, f of 6. Substitute 6 to x and that will become 2 times 6 minus 3. So 2 times 6 is 12 minus 3, that is square root of 9. Final answer is 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9, square root of 9 is 3. Next, f of 5. So yung x natin magiging 5. So the function will become square root of 2 times 5 minus 3. So yung x natin naging 5. So 2 times 5, that is 10 minus 3, that is equivalent to 7. So as is na yan, square root of 7, and that's the answer. How about f of 15? So yung x natin magiging 15. So 2 times 15 minus 3. So 2 times 15, that is 30 minus 3. That is the square root of 27. So pwede nating i-factor, i-simplify pa to. 27 is equivalent to square root of 9 times square root of 3. Okay? Because 9 times 3 is 27. Square root of 9, that is 3. Then multiplied by square root of 3. And this will be the answer. So that's the way how are you going to evaluate function f of x is equal to square root of 2x minus 3. I hope you learned something.